Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how I sew an optional sweatband into a finished baseball cap. While you may not be sweating in your cap, adding a simple ribbon band on the inside can provide an extra level of comfort, especially if hairs tend to make your head itchy. Additionally, the interior cap band will secure the fit of your cap and prevent it from stretching over time. For this, I will be using a 1-inch white cotton corset ribbon. Let's get started. Make sure not to pierce through the yarn with the needle. Insert the needle under the horizontal bar of the previous row's stitch. A crucial point to remember is not to pull the stitch or the ribbon too tight while sewing. This could reduce the size of your baseball cap. The sewing should be loose and elastic. And there we have it, a beautiful result. I hope you found my video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be plenty of exciting content to come. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.